Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video where I'm going to give you a preview inside my lead funnels workshop. Now, this is awesome for you because we're going to go through step by step how to set up your own lead funnel so you can generate leads, build an email list, get people to take action and sign up and basically do what you want them to do. Make sure you watch to the end because I'll show you how to get your own lead funnel swipe file and the brand new full 40-minute version of the lead funnels workshop. Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video where I'm going to take you through the lead funnel workshop. Are you excited? I'm excited. This is so freaking awesome. I've made this video companion to, there's a new promotion going on. There's a lead funnels swipe file that's been put out by Russell Brunson and ClickFunnels, and it is absolutely awesome. We'll be referring to that later, and you'll see how it kind of ties in, but I think you're going to dig this, so let's get to it. So let's take a look at it here. Here is the lead funnel formula. First up, you need to set up your pages, right? And the great thing is for a lead funnel, you really only need 2 pages. Truly is one of the more simple funnels. You can get a little bit more complex with it if you want, but if you're just starting out and you just want to make this happen, get leads coming in, build your email list, keep things to 2 pages. And that kind of ties into number 2 as far as keeping them simple. You'll see not only do we need just a few pages, but the elements and what's going on with everything. You're going to see how easy it is because I want you to be able to take this, duplicate it, set up yourself, email me back and be like, oh, Sean, thank you so much. I've got leads coming in now. I'm building an email list and it was all because of your training and you are awesome. Right? So the third step is that we want to set up the form, and the form is what information we want to collect from the people when they hit our page. When I first started out, it was just email address. That's all I wanted to get from people, and it kind of helps to facilitate things if there's less. Like the more forms there are, more fields that there are in your form, and the more that people have to fill out when they hit your page, the lower the amount of people that are going to opt in, but the higher the quality will be of the people. If somebody takes the time to fill out a form and you've got like 27 different fields, this person is committed and serious and wants to talk to you and is, worth your time and effort. But to keep things simple, we're just going to go with email address. You can go with first name and email address. I kind of like that setup just because it lets me personalize the marketing and email messages afterwards when you can insert someone's first name because people really like to see their first name. So the fourth step is that we want to integrate our form. Yeah, it's just kind of fancy talk for meaning that we want to make sure that the system that collects the email addresses is talking to our lead funnel. Now, with nifty products like ClickFunnels, even if you don't have an email autoresponder, you can set up a form and they will collect your email addresses for you, and then you can download those into your email autoresponder if you get one after the fact. But I'll show you how to kind of do both. So by default, I'm pretty sure it goes across the board, but whatever page builder you use will also collect your email addresses for you. So the fifth step is that we want to add our lead magnet. Now, our lead magnet is, of course, whatever draws people into our funnel, and we need to make that available to them once people opt in, once our leads opt in to our funnel. And there's lots of different lead magnet ideas that you can set up. I'm going to show you a fairly simple one that you can duplicate, but we'll talk about some other ones as we go along here. 6, we want to test the funnel. We've got to make sure this thing works, and I'll show you some steps, really easy ways to do that. And the 7th step is to monetize the funnel. That's kind of more advanced and kind of a little bit extra that I threw in here for this one here. But if you have a funnel set up, you definitely want to have it monetized as far as on your thank you page. Is it going to an offer, an affiliate offer, a product of your own? Is there a way for it to progress so that people who do want to buy, who are ready for solutions today, can whip their wallet out and give you money? Right, so let's dig into these a little bit deeper, and then we'll jump over to ClickFunnels. I'll kind of show you as far as building it out, how to do something. It'll be kind of cool. I think you'll dig it, and yeah, let's go have a good time. So when we're setting up our pages, it seems pretty obvious, but what we need to do is get ourselves set up with some type of site builder. Now, clearly, I couldn't put capitals on all the words in this presentation here, so you just have to bear with me, I guess. But as far as site builders, when I first started out, I used lead pages, and it wasn't bad. And especially for doing a simple lead funnel like I'm going to show you here, that would definitely do the trick. I know Infusionsoft is still around. My weapon of choice, of course, is ClickFunnels. That's what I'm going to show you inside the demo here. But I don't know. I think maybe whenever I go to one of my videos, I see sometimes I get an ad for Wix. So I don't know if Wix will let you, if there's a form integration, a way for you to collect email addresses, and you want to do it in Wix, okay. So all you need to do pick one of those, whatever type of funnel builder, website builder that you're going to use, and go ahead and create an account, log into your site builder, and get yourself set up. Now, inside, and the nice thing is with ClickFunnels, you can go and actually tell it and say, specify that you want to set up a lead generation funnel and use templates and get all crazy up in there. But I'm going to show you how to kind of do it based on like proven funnels. You'll see what I mean here. So on the page itself, we just really, for a lead generation page, it's not too complex. All we really need is to have some type of form and a button to click on. Now, there's way more to it than that, but as far as building out the funnel here, your lead generation page, that's all it needs really on it to make it function. So when we build out these pages, build out our lead funnels, you want to keep it simple because you're not just going to build one. Ultimately, you're going to see you're probably going to build lots of these as you go. The more you have, the more potential you have for leads to come in. So why limit yourself, right? Now, when you build your page, you want to make sure that it's got the following elements on it. You want to use some type of headline that invokes curiosity. Curiosity is powerful. I try to work it into all my headlines. Try to use a headline that has some type of curiosity in it. You're going to want to have some type of picture of your cool thing that people are going to get. Don't be afraid to, I'm going to show you a few hacks here as we go through and do this, but you want to have a nice high quality picture of the thing. Even if it's a PDF report, you still want to have something like a picture that looks cool and makes people want that thing. Next thing on a page is a box. It's got two fields, name and email, or maybe just email, and a button for them to submit this order once they fill it out and go to the next step in the funnel. I like to make sure I've got some legal and compliance links on mine. I'm not a lawyer. I cannot give you legal advice. Please don't take this as any kind of legal advice, but protect yourself when it comes to legal and compliance. That's all I have to say about that. And the last thing that we've got is SEO and page description. So don't leave it with the default SEO and page description. Know what your keywords are for your market and your niche, and it's super easy to fill that out. I'll show you inside the demo where to put that. And the nice thing is ClickFunnels kind of reminds you straight off the bat. I'll show you what I mean. So it's nice and easy to take care of that. Now, when we set up the form, you're going to go over to, if you've got one, you're going to go over to your email autoresponder, and you're going to set up a form in your autoresponder. I'll show you how to do it in the one that I use, but it's pretty simple. Inside your email autoresponder, there's going to be a section for like campaigns and broadcast emails and all this type of stuff, but they will have a section just for forms because we need a form in our email autoresponder to talk to our lead funnel. So forms are going to have fields. We can have as many or as little as we want. So you need to have an email field on your form, but you can go for first name, you can ask for last name, whatever you want, the city, phone number, whatever you ask for, people will or won't put in. And the nice thing is you can set these up so that these different fields, they're either optional or required. Email is pretty much always required. I don't think you could actually make that optional. But all the other ones, you have a choice. You can say, no, you have to put in your first name, but you don't have to put in your phone number if you don't want to. You'd be surprised how many people will go ahead and put in their phone number, even if it's optional. So next step is that we want to go and, of course, integrate our form. Hey there, Sean Bailey. Thanks for watching this preview. If you'd like to unlock the rest of the training, all you have to do is go to seanbailey.com/lead funnel workshop and go and pick up the lead funnel swipe file. Send me a screenshot of your receipt, and I'll give you full access to the 40-minute training. I'll see you inside.